Hi, my friends. Now you can see another selection of the coolest devices from Amazon and AliExpress sites. All the links to items in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell symbol to get everyday updates. Let's go.
The SharpAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The SharpAL 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The SharpAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
SharpAL, giving you the edge.
Hey everyone, it's Simon here, and today we are demonstrating the ultimate fire colorant for wood-burning fires. Magical Flames. Magical Flames is great for creating vibrant, colorful, enchanting flames with indoor or outdoor fires. Let's first take note of this actual footage of Magical Flames in use. You can see just how many colors are on display, dancing through the fire. Next, let's take note of just how easy these are to use. You simply toss an unopened pouch into the fire, and within minutes, you'll be able to sit back and enjoy the blue, purple, red, green, and yellow colors. And lastly, you'll be happy to know that Magical Flames are the safest, easiest, and most mess-free way to enjoy colored flames when compared to other products and methods. All in all, Magical Flames is the perfect way to add an enchanting touch to your campfires, bonfires, indoor fireplaces, backyard fire pits, and any wood-burning fire. Thanks for watching.
Today we're going to walk you through the setup of our Lost Valley Premium Hammock. This hammock bundle includes a hammock with attached mosquito net, tree straps, and a rain fly. First, find the tree strap bag and take out one of the straps. Find the looped end furthest from the buckle. At around chest height, wrap the strap around the tree once or twice. Feed the buckle through the loop, and repeat this process on the other side. Next, open the hammock and attach it to the tree straps using the carabiners provided. Adjust the straps so that the center of the hammock hangs no more than 16 inches off the ground. Next, using the paracord provided, tie the loop on the mosquito net to the tree. Be careful not to tie the net too tight or too high up the tree. Repeat on the other side. The final step is the setup of the rain fly. Using the paracord provided, tie the rain fly between the trees diagonally. The fly should be taut, but not stressed. Stake the other two corners of the rain fly to the ground. Make any final adjustments and enjoy your Lost Valley Premium Hammock.
On the off chance that you need to see my different recordings, make certain to watch, and obviously remember, subscribe to my channel and give me likes and comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you soon.